To begin, I was delighted to find this passage. It was part of an interview called Suicide and Sanity. So I figured it was pretty dark stuff. But then at the end, there was this question, what is your belief about virtue, morality, and religion? And I was delighted to see this answer that was so full of love and wonder. So here it goes. I believe that all actions that tend to the well-being of sentient beings are virtuous and moral. I believe that real religion consists in doing good. I do not believe in phantoms. I believe in the uniformity of nature. That matter will forever attract matter in proportion to mass and distance. That under the same circumstances, falling bodies will attain the same speed, increasing in exact proportion to distance. That light will always, under the same circumstances, be reflected at the same angle, and that it will always travel with the same velocity. That air will forever be lighter than water, and that gold heavier than iron. That all substances will be true to their natures. That a certain degree of heat will always expand the metals and change water into steam. That a certain degree of cold will cause the metals to shrink and change water into ice. That all atoms will forever be in motion. That like causes will forever produce like effects. That force will be overcome only by force. That no atom of matter will ever be created or destroyed. That the energy in the universe will forever remain the same. Nothing lost, nothing gained. That all that has been possible has happened, and that all that will be possible will happen. That the seeds and causes of all thoughts, dreams, fancies, and actions, of all virtues and all vices, of all successes and all failures are in nature. That there is in the universe no power superior to nature. That humanity is under no obligation to the imaginary gods. That all our obligations and duties are to be discharged and done in this world. That right and wrong do not depend upon the will of an infinite being, but on the consequences of actions. And these consequences necessarily flow from the nature of things. I believe that the universe is natural.